Hello everyone, today I want to cover a very important topic. My question to you is, where do you analyze the market? 99% of you will answer that in MetaTrader, of course, where else? But it's very old, it's quite stupid and not flexible system at all. So you should pay much more time than anywhere else just to draw a line or to make your daily analysis. So today I want to show you a completely new tool, completely new website that is much faster, much smarter, much more intuitive, and with tons of new professional collections of features which will help you to make your analysis much more better and will bring it to a completely new level. And I hope and even I promise you that you will never again open a MetaTrader after this video to analyze your market. So let's start. As you see, it has a website. It's called TradingView. Its website is tradingview.com. Basically, it's like a social network for traders. As in every social network, you have a public profile here. Let's have a look. With numbers of your subscribers, likes, your avatar, like Facebook but for traders. I've just started to post my analysis here, and starting from the next week I'll do it daily, so don't hesitate to subscribe to receive even more analytics, not only in my Telegram channel. And in the right side we see something like a tool for traders. I'll explain it a little bit later. But here we may see the list of our currency pairs and shares with which we want to work. We may add any symbol just starting to type. You see tons of different indexes, shares from different countries, bonds, and so on and so on and so on and so on. Tons of different instruments to work with. For example, let's jump to, and here we also have different scripts, strategies from other traders, but most of them are honestly saying useless, so I don't even recommend you to use it. Let's jump to any chart. For example, let it be NSD used. Basically, it's a live chart where you can make whatever you like. Let's open something clear and let's delete. Let's make it a little bit cleaner. Nice. You may close this tool. So here's your chart, as honestly quite simple to MetaTrader when you can do all your analysis. So what do we have? We have a chart. If you want to change its size, you may just do it by scrolling your mouse and it will be enough, you see. Very beautiful. Okay. Let's start from the top. Here you can see basically your current instrument. Then is time frame. Right now we have D1, but we may choose H1, 15 minutes, 2 minutes, 5, 3, whatever you like, any custom time frame. It's very cool. But for example, let's choose D1. Then what do we have here? We have types of representation. It may be area, it may be candles, or if you may be a stock trader, it may be bars, or different custom setups like Renko charts, line break, or point and figure. I don't know whoever uses it, but let it be. Okay, I prefer to use standard candles. What else? Here you may see just very familiar with MetaTrader's setup of your current theme of your chart. It's very customizable. You may set up whatever you like with TradingView, so kind of fundamental analysis, or you may choose also a kind of custom theme here. I prefer to use white. I don't know why, but I prefer to do white. Or you may add any additional symbol on this chart, just like one more layer. If you use such kind of analysis when you see two types of pairs and then you analyze it. Okay, let's start from indicators. you may choose from this panel, or you may start typing whatever you prefer. For example, something popular, MACD, and you may see this indicator MACD. And let's add, for example, alligator also, Williams alligator on our chart. That's it. You see, and add if you have a free time. We may edit our MACD indicator if you would like. Very similar to MetaTrader, you see, and also our alligator indicator. We may also edit it however we like, or we may simply hide it, or we may completely delete it. Easy, and tons of indicators, much more than in MetaTrader, you know, maybe 5 or 10 times more than in MetaTrader. Different indicators, oscillators, economy indicators, you know, also paid custom indicators. I've never tried to buy one, but if you'd like, you may try, and then write in the comments what it's for you. I've never tried it, and I don't know, I guess it's a useless feature. Free indicators is more than enough. Then you may add alerts as well as in MetaTrader, you know, with the tons of different parameters. If the price touches, for example, 1.1435, then please send me email and SMS or SMS. Very handsome and useful tool for every trader. Then this feature I don't recommend you to use, you know, like to show ideas from different people when to trade, how to trade. It's useless. This button will open this chart full screen, but then you won't see my webcam, so I won't click it. You may also, if you drew something on your chart, you may save it as a picture, as a single PNG picture on your desktop. Or you may upload it, save, or send to anyone, however you like. In this right corner, we see all our instruments and immediately switch between them. It's much more interesting and you know, better than in MetaTrader. Again, list of all your alerts which you set up, data window with the open, high, low, and close of every single candle, then all other possible symbols with different indexes, shares, bonds, etc. Calendar of fundamental news, very important news, and everything in one window, which MetaTrader will never allow you to do, and everything just in one click. I use it all the time. Your own ideas, where you may publish and quickly, immediately switch between your own ideas. Also a kind of chat. I've never tried to use it because, you know, a lot of fluid, a lot of useless analysis. I prefer to use only my analysis. Then your private chats with other traders, your stream when you can create notifications just for yourself, and your notifications like Facebook notifications. But I prefer to see it hidden all the time. Okay, and now this get ready collection of professional tools. Okay, first of all, cross, as the same as a MetaTrader, but with additional setups. You know, if you prefer to see dot, cross, or arrow, or whatever you like, I prefer to see the cross. Then lines. You see different types of lines, like just trend line from point to point, and then you may set up as width, you know, its type, maybe it should be an arrow, different alerts. If the price touches the line, then please notify me. Very useful feature, and so on and so on and so on. And then you may choose it and customize it however you like. We have different types of lines, it may be like a vertical line, which you may also then drag whatever you like, or it may be, this, I like this feature. For example, if you want to show something like range of price and then you want to change it however you like, like something like this. It shows you a quite nice visual representation of what's going on market, and you may analyze it like this, or different, if something goes in the channel, you create it like a channel. You see a price channel and you may easily customize it, and so on and so on. MetaTrader will never allow you to do it, and you will never see it as clear as here. Okay, right now it's time to delete this mess. It was the first feature of lines. Then different types of, again, lines with, for example, as you see, Gantt square, Gantt fed, Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci time zone, Fibonacci circles. I can't understand the logic behind Fibonacci circles, and I even can't imagine how it's possible to use it while trading, because it's more like a painting but not trading. I don't know, maybe someone uses it and quite successful, so let it be. Again, different types, different Gantt fairs, and so on and so on. And it looks Fibonacci retracement, and you see with these colored zones, it looks much more better than in MetaTrader. You see the whole situation of the market. You may analyze it much more clear, and you will have much more profitable trades, I hope. This zone, you may try it by your own later. Then you may also draw a simple brush if you want, to show something, or it may be a rectangle, ellipse, triangle, or any curve or custom figure which you'd like. Rectangle if you want to show again, for example, we want to show that it was an overbought zone and then the price will move down. You simply draw this rectangle and you see it clearly. Even after a month, after a year, you will see that this zone was overbought and you had a signal to sell here, for example. Let's remove these elements. Okay, with custom elements, that's all. You may create also different arcs, if you'd like, if you need it in your analysis, but I've never used it. You may also add different types of text, like balloon, labels. You see, if you have to do it, just to see the price in this point. Amazing feature, I like it really. Or you may use just a custom text, like double top, for example, and then to drag it anywhere on your screen. Or this with price I like very much. Then different types of figures, like this ABCD pattern, triangle patterns, and etc. For example, let's use this ABCD pattern. We just put the points A, B, C, and D, and it shows us the price in these points. It shows us the difference between these points, and you may fill it with the color if you'd like. And again, one more nice feature to do your analysis. MetaTrader doesn't have this feature, by the way. Again, other very popular patterns like head and shoulders, elliott impulse waves. You see head and shoulders. We don't have a head and shoulder here, but for example, you show it, and your head and shoulders will be drawn, something like that. Moreover, we have different cyclic lines, timelines, sine lines, Elliott different triangle combo waves, and in MetaTrader you would pay, you know, hours to draw these lines, to mark these waves, to name these names, to take these waves. Here everything is done automatically. You should simply drag it on your current chart. Amazing. Then different, what I like the most in this tool. Again, you may change the size, the same as in MetaTrader. For example, if here you predict that the price will go down or up, you may show it just for yourself like this. For example, you predict that it will go up. A long position, you choose long position and you simply drag it here, and then you make an analysis just for yourself that it will go long with such stop loss, with this take profit, and it immediately shows you the price of take profit, the price of stop loss, the difference between these two prices, and the very nice like visual tool just to show for yourself the volume of your trade and the future losses and profits of your trade. I use it all the time, and I suggest you also for you to use it. The same for short positions. You may also draw different price ranges like this. It will show you the difference in price, the percentage change of the price, the number of pips in this range. I use it all the time in my technical analysis, and it's very, very helpful. MetaTrader will never allow you to do such kind of analysis, so I guess MetaTrader is completely useless in such situation, and I suggest you to use only this tool because today is the best tool on the market, and it's completely free also. Moreover, we have date and price, different changes, bar patterns. For example, we choose this range of bars. It draws its patterns, and then we may, like overlay this pattern in the future or in the past to check this pattern of candles somewhere. Sometimes you may use it if you're in a price action analysis. Then, of course, as MetaTrader, it has tons of different, images. I've never used it, I don't know, but maybe someone needs it for his analysis. Then zoom of chart, measure, like this. Again, you may measure the chart, and different magnets to magnet your figures, to magnet its position, and so on and so on, like this. One more thing that I wanted to show you, but I forgot, is this one. Where did I forgot? Also, very nice tool of projection. And where is it? I forgot. Okay, you see again, tons of tools, and you even won't check all of them from the first time. You will have to pay, a lot of time to try all of them. But with the help of this tool, you may create really powerful analysis. For example, my last analysis on NSD used, which I created, by the way, in 5, maybe in 7 minutes. Just, this, I added an RSI indicator, very fast editing of text, of custom figures. Then we create a range of price with a, fulfill color, with a transparency. We may build our vision of the market, the difference in price and pips and percentages, and our prediction, this beautiful arrow where the price is going to go. It's time for a month, it's different in price, and so on and so on. And then what is the most interesting, after you created your analysis, you saved it, you may forget about it, then you may open this analysis in a month or in a year, and you simply touch this play button, and it will show you then the price, and you will see if your analysis was true or false. I like this feature the most. Again, MetaTrader is very poor in features compared with this very powerful professional tool, which is available for free, absolutely for free, all the features for free. So it was a short overview of this trading platform. In my next videos, I'll show you more information about my approach of analysis, my kind of technical analysis, additional features, indicators, and approaches which I use while trading. So also don't forget to subscribe for this profile. I'll post every day my vision on the market absolutely for free for you. And that's all for today. I tried to cover this topic, very briefly. I guess I did it. Don't forget to subscribe for this channel, because tons of new, free, and very useful videos will be published every week, maybe even 3-4 times per week, if I receive a lot of feedback from you. And write in the comments what do you think about this tool from the very first view, and also please let me know in the comments below which kinds of videos would you like to see from me, if it should be a technical analysis or automated trading where I have a lot of expertise because I'm a software developer, or maybe it should be something else. Also let me know in the comments right here below. Thank you very much for watching, wish you all the best in your trading, and goodbye. File. Рил сломался. Я захожу к вам в кабинет, он лежит на диване и на стуле.
А зачем мне видео экспортировать? Как жаль. Сейчас
я сломаю тебе сейчас шею. Не трогай. Ну серьезно, не месяц ничего не знаю, вообще экспортнется оно или нет. Не касайся. Ну ничего, смотрите, поправим.
Я сейчас крест нажму. У меня есть голосовой... Стул! Крест потом. У меня есть голосовое... У меня есть голосовое управление. Сейчас скажу словами одно слово, и он выключится. И раз стул сломаешь.
Стул сломаешь.
Дебил, стул.
Какие манеры? А я на твоем месте не делал резких движений.
Стул сломаешь. На одном колесе нельзя стоять, он гнется.
Да, экспортнуться видео.
У меня голосовое управление. Сейчас скажу два слова, и он выключится.
Ну, дурак. Я сильно волновался, конечно, при записи видео. Это будущий миллионер. Смотри на мое лицо внимательно, восхищайся. Буду рассекать на Rolls-Royce и проеду мимо тебя, наеду на ногу и брызну в лужи. И пойду дальше, а ты дальше свою капусту продавай.
Не видит, какой-то идиот зашел сайт на вот этот сайт, который все и так могут зайти, и что-то умное рассказывает.
Все могут зайти, не все вообще знают, что такой сайт существует.
Вот теперь знаю, посмотрят первое видео и забьют на тебя.
Почему?
Потому
сайт им даст сигналы. Я сказал им не использовать сигналы, потому что они бесполезные.
А, то есть ты мне рассказал про сигналы, а потом сказал, что они бесполезны. Молодец.
Я сказал, что тут есть сигнал, но они бесполезны, я не советую кому ими пользоваться. Они за мной как за Моисеем пойдут.
Ты купил золото в пятницу?
Да, я регулярно зашел, сегодня купил, брал.
Сколько он стоит? Сколько унция сейчас стоит? Ты же купил в пятницу унцию. Сколько она стоила?
Унция золота.
Сколько она стоила?
1020 баксов.
Нет.
Да.
Нет.
Проверь.
$1212 49 центов.
Так он в Украине живет.
Тупой или повторяешься?
Я поеду в Лиссабон, сегодня продам Европу по 1300. Главное в жопе на границе провести ее.
Что такое все жирное? Ты что, за столом сидел? Она не может быть жирная. Я абсолютная чистота.
Собак убери от яичек. Убери, я сказал.
О, Господи, он еще ее пробует. После Спайдермена будет 2 сцены.
Я уже посмотрел эти сцены и скажу тебе о чем, если ты не замолчишь. Так бы сразу. Завтра на такси едем. Можно говорить. В первой сцене. На такси едем. Ой, ой. Питерская прическа, я в шоке.